If you want to get the transcript from a YouTube video, there's three free and easy ways to do it. I'm going to show you how right now. All right, so I'm going to take a look here at my screen, and what we have here is a YouTube video. And if you want to get the written transcript, which could be used for a lot of different reasons, the first fast and easy way to do it for free is a site called YouTubeTranscript.com. If you paste in the URL, it will pull out the transcript from the video, and it should pop up here on the right side. There it is. The whole transcript is right there. And in the bottom left, there is a button called Copy Entire Transcript. And if you copy that, it's really easy. You can use that transcript wherever you want. It's all written out just like that. The second way to do it is to go get a Chrome extension called YT Transcript Downloader. And what happens is when you install this, it will add a little download button. So here's how it works. On every YouTube video, if you go to the description, you can open that up. And then at the very bottom, it says show transcript. Now that's great. YouTube will automatically transcribe every video that's out there, even if the person didn't upload a transcript. There's new AI tools that kind of just listen to the video and transcribe it for you. That's for closed caption purposes. So if you click that show transcript button from within the description, over here on the right side, you'll see it pull up. But if you don't have that extension installed, you won't see this little download button, and it's kind of hard to copy and grab all that text. So that download button just makes it really convenient. You can click on that and it will save a text file to your computer that looks just like this. So you have all that text written out right there. So those are two really simple ways to do it. The reason I found that Chrome extension was because the website YouTubeTranscript.com stopped working for a while. So there may be a possibility that it doesn't work in the future. And if that's the case, even with that site down, I found that the YT transcript downloader Chrome extension still worked even when YouTubeTranscript.com was down. Now, the third way that's more recent is using a tool that's currently free from Google called NotebookLM. And what this tool is really for like research purposes, but it's an AI tool. And what you can do is add a source, and then you can use YouTube as one of your sources of content. We can paste in the URL. Let me go grab that URL again. And what you can do is just paste in the URL, and now it will do that work for you. It'll pull out the transcript. And if we click over here on that source file over here on the left menu, it will show you the entire transcript right here below the video. Now, this tool is also really awesome because you can actually have it write a brief or a summary of it. You can like work with that content and ask it questions about whatever was in that video. And another really cool thing you can do is have it generate a podcast episode where AI will talk to you about the content. It'll pretty much review that video content for you and then summarize it to you in a really cool audio format. So this is kind of the new generation of working with content, is using AI to do this, and built in for free right now with Google is called NotebookLM. It's pretty sweet. And you can see there the summary. Again, I can go in and kind of chat with it. I don't love this interface. It's a little bit confusing to me, but that's how it works. And it's totally possible to do this for free. Now you have three different ways to get the transcript from any YouTube video. Really easy, totally free. Enjoy. And if you want more great tips and resources, please subscribe and check out designhacker.com for more training and resources to help entrepreneurs build their brand, make more money, and have more free time. All right, talk to you later.